Most people think they are lazy, they think they lack discipline, or that they simply weren't born with that grind gene. But the truth is much darker. Your brain hasn't failed you. It has been hijacked. You aren't losing at life. You're just losing the war for your attention. Take a look at your screen time. Look at the hours spent scrolling through short-form videos that you don't even remember 5 minutes later. That's not just time loss. It's your potential being drained, one swipe at a time. We are living in an era of cheap dopamine. We are overstimulated, anxious, and perpetually distracted. This is why PeakSelf exists, to find the version of you that is hidden under all that digital noise. Today, we are exploring a complete system reset, a 7-day protocol designed to reclaim the human mind from the grip of modern distraction. No social media, no junk food, no cheap hits of dopamine. This is the journey to find your peak self, and by the end of this video, you will have the exact blueprint to do it yourself. To fix the problem, we have to understand the biology. Your brain runs on dopamine. It's the molecule of more. Evolutionarily, it was designed to make us hunt for food and seek out progress. But today, billion-dollar tech companies have weaponized it. Every notification, every like, every infinite scroll is a hit of dopamine that requires zero effort. When you flood your brain with this cheap pleasure, your receptors downregulate. This is why normal things like reading a book or building a business suddenly feel boring. You've raised your boredom threshold so high that reality can no longer compete with your phone. Cognitive decoupling, the digital rule. First, we initiate what we call cognitive decoupling. Most people just try to use their phones less. That fails. Instead, you must physically decouple your brain from the device. For these 7 days, your phone does not enter your workspace or your bedroom. Period. If you need to communicate, you do it at a designated information station, a specific desk at a specific time. By removing the constant proximity of the device, we allow the prefrontal cortex to exit a state of constant alertness and return to a state of creation. The 90-minute focus blocks. Second, we move into the 90-minute peak cycle. Scientific research into Ultradian Rhythms shows that the human brain can only maintain elite-level focus for about 90 minutes before needing a reset. During this protocol, you will perform 2 of these cycles back-to-back every morning. No phone, no internet tabs, no music with lyrics, just one single task. In these 180 minutes, you will achieve more than most people achieve in a week of distracted, busy work. The dopamine floor, the reset rule. Third, we address the dopamine floor. Currently, your baseline for pleasure is too high because of high fructose corn syrup and infinite scrolling. To lower it, we implement a sensory fast. No artificial sweeteners, no caffeine after 10 a.m., and no background noise, meaning no podcasts while you drive or music while you shower. We are forcing your brain to find stimulation in the mundane. When you lower the floor, your motivation for hard tasks naturally hits the ceiling. Active recovery and the stillness gap. Finally, we implement the stillness gap. I know this protocol sounds intense, and that's because it is. To help you stay on track, I've built the PeakSelf 7-day reset checklist. It's the exact blueprint of everything we discussed today, and I'm giving it to you for free. You can find the download link in the top line of the comment box below. Now back to the topic. Every evening, you will spend 15 minutes in total darkness or with your eyes closed. No meditation app guiding you, just raw, unfiltered silence. This allows your brain to render the day's information. Without this gap, your brain stays in a state of input overload, which leads to burnout. We aren't just working harder, we are recovering deeper. In the beginning, the withdrawal is real. By day 2, the brain begins to scream for a distraction. You might feel irritable, bored, or strangely lonely. This is the emptying phase. It's the hardest part because you're forced to face the thoughts you've been drowning out with noise. But by day 5, something shifts. The brain fog lifts. Focus returns. You find yourself in a state of flow that you haven't felt since childhood. You realize that your potential hadn't disappeared. It was just buried under a mountain of digital trash. Peak Self is more than a channel. It's a community of people who refuse to be average. People who are tired of being spectators and are ready to become the protagonists of their own stories. If you are ready to reclaim your focus, hit the subscribe button right now. We are documenting the systems and protocols that will help you level up every area of your life. The war for your attention is over. It's time to win. Comment the word peak if you are starting your reset today. I'll see you in the next one.